What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be checking out JASMY. We're going to be on the daily. We're going to be in the smaller time frames, checking out some fibs. Make sure to stick around. We're going to be checking out stablecoin dominance, right? It's kind of telling the story for this whole week. If you've been here, you already know, right? Hey, we're hitting these levels, baby. Checkbox, checkbox, checkbox. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more. Hey, you're not going to want to miss this, so I hope you enjoy. Right here on the daily, we got JASMY. On the daily, it's more than reasonable that we can come down to this. Right, we got this extension. I believe we're in a 1-2 setup. Right, we're in a 1-2 setup. Okay, looking for a third wave move to the upside. So overall, right, we're looking like we want to. I mean, we're trying to find support at this 786. Didn't. So right, next actual level, come back to the 1440 or even the September Open. I actually wouldn't want us closing. If we close below 1436 and this invalidates this 1-2, and then this is just another 1-2, you'll kind of understand that once we actually get into the smaller time frames. It is a mess. JASMY right now is a mess. Okay, I'm just being honest with you. We do have some confluence though when we get up to these higher levels. If you look at this, right, the 3414, weekly 382, 200-day EMA, right? So we got three areas of confluence that, this aligns with. So I do like this as a whole. I do like this idea. We have broken out of this falling wedge. We're in a larger pennant pattern that ends around the end of October, right? Because I mean, yeah, it goes into November, but end of October, right? That's the latest. But I think we're gonna make a move sooner rather than later. We've come down and interacted with this area, right? What did we do last time? Came down, interacted, we went. Interacted, we went. What did we do before we interacted with both, though? Or right after we interacted, right? We had like a setup, right? We had like a setup. This is a tiny setup right now so far. But we did have like a setup, right? And then you flagged down. You came up, then you flagged down. So I would really like a really, I mean, we need a large candle. We need like a large body candle coming up here and like flagging out for your third wave. Our third wave needs to come up, flag out, and then get up here for this fifth wave. Okay, and this is just wave one, right? Then wave one. Then we're gonna need a wave two down. Wave two down. Gosh damn, my freaking drawings are terrible. And then we'll get a third wave up. Okay, then we can get like a third wave. And like that's the one. That's the wave, right? That's the wave that's gonna take us to, 8, 9, 10, 11 cents, 12 cents, something in that range. It all depends, right? Once we get this wave completed, then I'm like, okay, we can get some accurate, semi-accurate time price targets. Sorry, I just like brain farted. So again, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but these are just my ideas. So I just wanted to throw that out there. We are finding some support at the September Open. We wicked down, grabbed some liquidity. I would really like to see us close above the 786. Weekends haven't been too kind to us, so just not something I kind of want to see. On the RSI, we are bouncing off the sell side pressure on the RSI. We're looking to bounce off this 46.85. So if you have TradingView, if you're looking at TradingView, that's a key area to note where we see some strength or weakness. Fu Manchu, I've been saying this stochastic up here without momentum, it's not good, right? It's not good. We need momentum. Speaking of momentum, what do we have on the? Let's see on the daily. I mean, we have momentum, but it's just not. It's not moving anything. This is MACD's delayed, just in case you guys didn't know. Right, delayed indicator. We are losing volume, right? So we're looking to something big is going to happen, right? Declining volume, right? Declining volume. Once we get a spike of volume, it's just going to be crazy. Can we make sense of that? Sure, let's go ahead and try. All right, let's go ahead and try. Let's do something like this. All right, something like this. right? Declining volume, and then boom. That makes sense. So yeah, volume right now just is not it. It's just there's not much volume going on. We are moving up in the right direction. It's just it's difficult, right? It's difficult. This 4 hour our MACD, it looks like it wants to rock and roll. It looks like it wants to do this the scoop and rip, right? Come down and rip, but it looks like we want to back test again. We want to back test and not fall through. That's what it looks like it wants to do. What in the 8 hour? I mean, this looks good too. We've crossed the zero. Is this rolling over though? This does look like it's kind of rolling over. That's not the greatest. Not the greatest. I mean, if we get something tiny, where, you know, you roll over slightly and then you go, that's fine. That's fine. You know, we've done that before, something like this. But I mean, look at the difference. So we haven't gotten anywhere yet. At least with up here, through here, we got up, right? We got up, and then we kind of rolled over a little bit. Then we actually went, yeah. Then we went and got that 2 cent mark. So we need to, yeah. We can't do this. I don't want to see us do this. We have crossed the zero. The last times we've crossed the zero, we've gone up and done something with it, right? Crossed the zero, went up, crossed the zero, went up. We even crossed the zero right here too. We did go up. We went up. I don't know why I drew on the MACD. So yeah, so JASMY right now, I mean, everything is looking good. It's just we're waiting. And I'll tell you what does not look good is the small time frames. This thing does not look good, right? I mean, you had a nice 1-2, right? And then this wave took out your 1-2, so this is no longer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think so. So, all right, I think this is like your 1-2. This is another 1-2 because this low takes out the low of that. Then you come up here, right? Doesn't even pass this area, right? This high can't get above this high. So this is not a 1, 2, 3. That's not it. So this could be just like a correction, like a corrective ABC, right? Like you have a 1, 2, 3, and then you came back down, right? Came back down, and then now, right? Now this is another 1, 2. This is your other 1, 2. That's what I got. That's what I got on the charts. It makes the most sense. It aligns with what we're trying to do right now. It really does, right? We're kind of just pulling back during this third wave, right? We're in a third wave on the daily, and just this. I mean, if we come down and we close below this, I mean, this looks like a 5-wave move, right? I mean, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what are we doing right here? What are we doing right there? I can actually, let me take this off because I got one on the daily. Is this on the daily? I think it's on the daily, but I can put it to the 2. I can put it to the 1 hour. Okay, let's see what we're doing right here. We found some support at the September open. We are trading below the 20 and the 200. We're kind of in between. Let's see what we're doing, right? Let's see what we're doing. Overall, low to a high. Do I use this low? I guess I can use this low. No, because then it came back down again and closed. Let me use this low. It's a fake out. I'll use this low. Cool. Yeah, I mean, we found resistance at the 236. It's the last gatekeeper. We kind of did it twice. Where else? No else real signs of confluence. Let's see what we're doing with this, right? So this A wave, what did we come down to? So this A wave, the C wave. The C wave came down to the, whoa, look at that. Came almost down to that 1618. So we could be looking at an A, B, C. And then we have another, I mean, theoretically, you got another A, right? So you A, B, C. So you have a B, C, right? So you got 3 waves, and then you're going to have 3 wave move up to the upside, right? So you had 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So you would have an A, B. And that means you need to get 3 waves down, back down, and C. Ugly pattern, right? If you're moving in threes, that's why I don't like threes, right? That's why I don't like threes at all, right? This is on the 2 hour, so all right, let's see what else we got, what else we can come up with right here. Okay, let's see where this B wave came up to. Yeah, I mean closed right below the 0.5. Typical B wave, right? Typical B wave. I mean, if you're really thinking about this, in a B wave sense, it did get up to this 618. It tried to close above the point. It did close above the 0.5, right? Close above the 0.5, got up a little bit, then slammed back down. Where are we at with this bad boy right here? Let's do this and this. I mean, we're sitting right at that 786. Do we have... This isn't an overshooting B wave, so it just looks like a regular flat. I mean, nothing too crazy. Got 3 down. Got 3 up. Hopefully, I mean, it looks like you want to get 3 up, so you got 3 down. All right, 3 down. 3 up. And then what, 5 down? And then 5 down? That means if that happens, right, you'd come down and take out. For sure you'd take this out. For sure you'd take this out, right? For sure, without a doubt. And that means on the daily, you would invalidate this entire setup. And this would now just be like a 1-2. That's what that would be. That would complete this 1-2. Does that make sense? So if we're doing that, right? If we're just on a regular flat right now, right, where you got 3 down, you're gonna get 3 back up, and then you come back down in 3. I mean, the 3 coming back down, the 3 going up is gonna be, right? Let's see. I mean, yeah, you close like right at the 618. Close right at the 618. You're passed down to 382. Yeah, so we're looking to find something out right here and then start to move more to the downside. I think we're going to go to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I mean, when you get something like this, we got 3 down. I mean, now it's clear. You got 3 down. It looks like you want to get 3 up and then 3 back down, right? Something like that. Where can we go? Where can we go? Let's see. Let's see right here. All right, for us to, right, I can see us finding some kind of support. We're right at the 50 on the 1 hour. Right, where's the 50 at? 50's at 1445. We're at 1445, right? So finding support here, especially if we come up and reject. I mean, it would be nice if we came up and had an overshooting B wave, then we could have, a running flat. That would be nice. But at that point, would rather have a bigger 1-2 setup. I'd rather have a bigger 1-2 setup. Come down, clear this all out, and then on the daily, you would have a huge 1-2 setup. Huge 1-2 setup, ready for a third wave to actually get us out of here. So yeah, so these are the levels. So 1475, I'll put these on. I'm going to put these on the hourly, and I'm going to leave this on the hourly. 1475 and 1487. Okay. Let's leave these on the hourly. Okay. Leave these on the hourly. Okay, and then, yeah, we'll see what we do from there. And if that does play out, I want to leave this on the hourly as well. Cool. I mean, if this does play out where you come down, right, so you do have an overall 1-2, right, if this is actually a 1-2, then you'd come up here, you take that. What were we saying? on the for the low, come down, take out this low. So at like one, no, you'd come down through here. Sorry, come down through. Yeah, come down through here. Yeah, 1-3. Let's do 1-3-8-5. Let's just do 1-3-8-5. Barely take it out. 1-3-8-5. You still would this 1-2 would still be valid because you're not taking out the low of the 1-2, right? And then where does that take us? I mean, the 2-6-1-8 is up through there, and then I mean, look how much space you have to the upside now. So either way, it works out. Either way, it works out. I do want to just put this back because we don't know if that's for sure yet. If that makes sense. That's just that's a possibility for now. Definitely just a possibility for right now. So yeah, so that's what I got on the charts for today for JASMY. You know, we have some levels that does look corrective in nature on the smaller time frames. It's reflecting on the daily. You know, I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised if we, you know, found ourselves playing out with, you know, a little bit more to the upside and then correcting back down. But here's a big but. If you get above this 786 and you close above this 1487, right, you got to close above 1487. Then you're thinking of a different pattern. Then you're thinking of something else because you're closing above the 786, not a wick, right? Not a wick where you're just coming up and then coming down. No, like you need to close above. Okay, so we got that on the 4 hour for the RSI. I mean, that 4 hour RSI looks way better than the freaking daily and all the other smaller time frames. So JASMY's being really tricky right now, if I'm being honest. Being very tricky. I don't want to see a rejection right here. Then you're kind of starting over, right? If you get above here, at least do something like that. Use the moving average as support. We got here A. So ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave a comment where you're tuning in from. Right? Hey, this is some gold standard stuff right here, though, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, stablecoin dominance. We are looking beautiful. Look what we did yesterday. Right? Hey, these levels have been drawn out. There's no monkey business going on. There's nothing going on like that. Okay, what did we do? We said we needed to what? Reject the 617. What did we do? Reject the 617. All right, now we need to close down below here. We need to close down below here. There is a level that I really want to see us close below, and I drew it out on yesterday's video. I think it was on the XLM video at the end, or DGen video, one of the videos I drew out yesterday. If we come into the 4 hour, right? If we come into the 4 hour, look where we are right now. Look what we've wicked down to. I mean, this looks like another little bull, like a little bear flag as well. This looks like a bear flag, right here. Then you got like your A, B, C, right? A, B, C. If you go into the hourly, look at this. Look where we have bouncing off of multiple times. I mean, multiple times. The 610. This is it. I believe this is it. I believe the reason why we've bounced off multiple times is because this is a 786. Once we start closing below the 786, all these levels become open. All these levels. It is also, right, if you're looking at previous areas of support, look what we did right here back at this 610 level. Look at this. We use this to bounce right here. 610, 609, 610, right? All through here. We used to bounce. We used to bounce, right? Bouncing, 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 right? Same thing. I mean, it's a definite area of interest, right? Definitely an area of interest. So, right, even right here, rejected off of it on the wick, right there. I mean, look at all that. That's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, even more, right? So this is a huge area. I definitely want to see us close below the 610 level. It'd be huge. It'd be huge, and then we can unlock this area down through here. Then we start to get going, right? Everything is looking good. Everything is looking ready to run. Right, JASMY has moved up, but not as much as other other alts. Let's be real. Let's be honest. Right? Gotta keep it real. Gotta keep it honest. I thought I'd see a bigger move from JASMY, but it is revving up. And so I do like how we're cupping down like this, how we're cupping down like that. Because the next time we do it, I feel like it's going to break. It's like when you cup up, right? Eventually, you're going to break through. Okay? If we're looking at the RSI on everything, let's go look at like the Fu Manchu RSI. Let's go look at all that for... Yeah, this is on the 1 hour. It does look like it's kind of bouncing. I lost all my levels on my RSI indicator. I don't know what happened. 4 hour. Oh, we're about to get oversold. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that RSI. Yeah, we're in a large downtrend. I'll mark this down right here. Something like that on the 4 hour. That means we got to be in a downtrend in almost everything, dude. Let's do the 12 hour. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. That looks very, very, very nice. Right? Just kind of sad. Just sad. Okay, we're still not even close to being oversold yet. Still not even close to being oversold yet. And that, where's this level at? 580. All right, so we're still not even close to being oversold. We still have a red dot on the Fu Manchu, red dot on the Fu Manchu, cross down below the RSI. Beautiful. We're about to cross. I feel like once this crosses, this is it. We got 8 hours. I hope today, right, the back half of today just kind of goes wild. All right, just kind of just tanks this below. Close below it. That'd be beautiful. The weekly, same thing. I mean, look at the weekly. Are we crossing below it? This stupid purple. We are. Look at that. We're crossing down below the weekly. Wow, we're getting ready. We are getting ready. When's the last time we crossed below the weekly? What did we do? What did we do? When was this? In April, and we just went down, down, down all the way till July. What about this? September. We started this run. You see how you kind of cross and then you start your run? That's, I mean, at this point, that's where we could be. But I feel like since it's, you know, altcoins are going to be dominating, especially let me look at Bitcoin dominance. I mean, altcoins are going to be dominating, so I feel like the run is going to start for altcoins before most people think, just because they're going to be the forefront of the move. 611. Oh yeah, look at, yeah. Oh yeah, this is bearish, and there's separation, right? It's not just that they're below. There's separation now. You want more separation. The more the better, like something like this. Look how wide it got down through here in July. Pardon me. Down through here. April. All right. So the daily. Yeah, we're crossing down. I really want to see us cross down below the 0 soon. Maybe tomorrow. It's just the weekends are just so terrible for us all the time. You know, it's just, it is what it is, right? The weekends are terrible. They really are. Can't lie about it. You know, just got to own it straight up. This looks good. Losing momentum. It is delayed indicator. But I just want to see us cross down below the 0. Every time we cross down below the 0, it's beautiful for us. All right, cross down below the 0. Look at that. Cross down below the 0. Look at that. Just tank, right? So we're getting close, ladies and gentlemen. We are getting very close, very, very, very close. And you just need one little spark to ignite it. That's all you need. That's all you need. So overall, that's what I got for JASMY. You know the levels to keep track of. We are at the precipice of breaking out, right? It's very close, right? JASMY looks good on the charts, right? Looking on the weekly. I mean, look at this on the weekly. We're just condensing. We're getting ready. We're interacting. Every time we've interacted with this lower trend line, we've moved, right? We interacted right here. We went up 152%. We interacted right here. We went up 91%. Okay? All we have to do, we've interacted here. We just have to get up 31 to let's say 37%. Get above this area right here. So that's what I got for JASMY. If you enjoyed the video, if you got anything out of it, please like the video. Hit that sub button. Leave a comment whether you liked it or not. I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.